Hi everyone, I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are conducting the MCQ class. So, this is the practice mock paper class presented to you by me, Arpita Sharma. आज की क्लास में हम कुछ 15 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. In today's class, we are going to solve some 15 questions. And in these 15 questions, they have been taken from this year's current affairs only. आज इस साल के जितने भी important topics रहे हैं, उसी में से हमने ये 15 questions choose किए हैं. And each question will be of 2 marks. Okay? एक question जो होगा वो 2 नंबर का होगा and there will be negative marking as well. तो आपका negative marking भी होगी क्लास में 1/3 marks की negative marking. ठीक है? So be very careful while you solve the questions, while you attempt the questions. बहुत ही carefully आपको attempt करने हैं question. बिल्कुल जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी. No need to just haphazardly answer the question. I'll be giving you 15 seconds time, 20 seconds time to answer the question. Okay? Carefully you have to mark your options and then you have to move forward. And also do let me know your scores in the comment section. Comment section में अपने scores मुझे जरूर बता देना, ठीक है? So that I can also keep a tab on your performance. चलो, now let's start. But before that, here's a very wonderful announcement. उससे पहले देखो बात हुई रही है prelims की. We are talking about prelims preparation 2021-2022. Now let me just inform you about a very wonderful initiative which is being conducted tomorrow. कल ना एक बहुत बढ़िया चीज होने वाली है. Right in the morning 8 a.m. there will be a very wonderful opportunity for all of you, and I'm going to discuss that with you. And this is related to Unacademy Plus Special Class Carnival 100 plus free live classes to be conducted tomorrow right from the morning 8 a.m. right? तो कल क्या होने वाला है, Unacademy Plus ना एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सा इनिशिएटिव लेकर आया है स्पेशल क्लास कार्निवल का, जिसके तहत कल 24 अक्टूबर को सुबह 8 बजे से 100 प्लस फ्री लाइव क्लासेस कंडक्ट होनी शुरू हो जाएंगी अनअकैडमी प्लस पर. सो टुमारो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लस, 100 plus free live classes will be launched right on Unacademy Plus, and these will be free live classes. ये free classes होंगी, live classes होंगी and free होंगी and live. That means your doubts will be cleared simultaneously in the class, right? And 100 plus classes means that all the topics in all the subjects, everything right from the practice, strategy, preparation, tips, tricks, history, current affairs, art and culture, geography, economics, environment ecology, everything will be covered in these classes. And that too by India's top educators. भारत के टॉप एजुकेटर्स जो हैं, जो अनअकैडमी प्लस के साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं, वो कल लाइव लेक्चर्स लेने वाले हैं आप सभी के लिए करंट अफेयर्स के ऊपर. They are taking classes, live classes on strategy, prelims and mains. And as you all know about Ashna Sisodia ma'am, she herself has cracked mains with highest marks, right? इन्होंने I guess ऐसे पेपर में या फिर PSI इनका ऑप्शनल भी है, उसमें हाईएस्ट मार्क्स भी स्कोर किए हैं. तो you are going to get advice from those who have themselves cracked it, जिन्होंने खुद ने क्रैक किया है, right? वो आपको एडवाइस देने वाले हैं. दे आर गोइंग टू एडवाइज यू ओवर द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो इन दिस एग्जाम, राइट? प्लस देयर विल बी क्लासेस बाय इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स ऑन ज्योग्राफी एंड एनवायरनमेंट. यू ऑल नो अबाउट सुदर्शन गुर्जर सर, one of the top and best educator when it comes to geography. Classes on economics, you all know about Shiva Prasad sir, he has also cracked mains, इन्होंने भी mains crack किया हुआ है, right? Then special class on history will be conducted, special class on GS MCQs will be conducted, and you all know about Nisha Nijamuddin ma'am, right? इनके बारे में भी आप जानते हो. She is one of the top educator when it comes to current affairs. Then Ankur Agrawal sir, right? Then special class on GS MCQs will be taken, special class on current affairs by Vani Mehra ma'am. Vani Mehra ma'am has been the top educator on Unacademy since 2016, right? And also she is a teaching faculty in topmost reputed institutions of Delhi, right? Then special class on optionals will be taken, ethics आंसर राइटिंग की क्लासेस होंगी. तो आपको बेस्ट फैकल्टी से कल आपको फ्री लाइव क्लासेस मिलने वाली हैं 24 अक्टूबर 8 a.m. in the morning, right? Since the morning till I guess midnight the classes will be conducted. You know, and these classes will be in all the languages, English also, Hindi also, and bilingual also. So you can choose your own preferred language, preferred language, and you can sit in any class that you want to understand or you want to सॉल्व योर डाउट्स। अगर आपको किसी सब्जेक्ट स्पेसिफिक डाउट को सॉल्व करना है तो आप उस क्लास में जाकर डाउट को सॉल्व करवा सकते हो। नॉन स्टॉप क्लासेस फ्रॉम इंडिया टॉप एजुकेटर्स। सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू इनरोल, द लिंक इज गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मैंने लिंक भी दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एमसीक्यूज से शुरू करते हैं। नाउ द फर्स्ट टेस्ट क्वेश्चन। Question number 1, Yanomami tribe, sometimes seen in the news, is located in which of the following countries? Yanomami tribe जो है वो कौन सी कंट्री में लोकेटेड है? रशिया, ब्राजील, इंडिया, none of the above. Now this was in news because a boy from the Yanomami tribe, he contracted the COVID-19 and because of which I guess he died also. So that is why it was in news. Yanomami tribe का एक बच्चा था जिसको COVID-19 की वजह से जिसकी मृत्यु हो गई, जिसकी वजह से ये ट्राइब न्यूज में थी. So the correct answer to this question is it is B, Brazil. Yanomami people are also known as South American Indians and they live in the Orinoco River Basin, which is in southern Venezuela and northernmost reaches of Amazon River Basin also. Okay, so that is why he was in news. This tribe was in news because the indigenous boy, Yanomami boy, he died in Brazil after contracting COVID-19. Now the next question. Consider the following statements regarding pardoning power. First, commutation denotes substitution of one form of punishment for a lighter form. Remission implies reducing period of sentence without changing its character. Respite implies a stay of the execution of a sentence for a temporary period. Reprieve denotes awarding a lesser sentence in place of one originally awarded due to some special fact. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है फटाफट से बताएं. You have 15 seconds time to answer this question. क्वेश्चन आंसर करने का आपके पास 15 सेकंड का टाइम है, फटाफट से बताओ. करेक्ट आंसर इज इट इज ए. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कम्यूटेशन एंड रिमिशन दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट है. रिस्पाइट, रिप्रीव आर रॉन्ग. रिस्पाइट मीन्स इट डिनोट्स अवॉर्डिंग अ लेसर सेंटेंस in place of one originally awarded due to some special fact such as physical disability of a convict or pregnancy of women offender. And reprieve means stay of the execution, stopping the execution of a sentence for a temporary period. That is reprieve. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों को ना इंटरचेंज कर दिया गया था, इसलिए 3 and 4 are wrong. Question number 3. Consider the following statements regarding principle of responsibility. Article 75 states that Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. Article 75 also contains principle of individual responsibility. There is provision in the Constitution for the system of legal responsibility of a minister. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है फटाफट से बताएं. Correct answer to this question is A. That is statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement number 3 is wrong. Statement number 3 is saying there is provision in the Constitution for system of legal responsibility of a minister. That is wrong. There is no such provision in India. India में ऐसा कोई provision नहीं है जिसमें Constitution में जिससे कि मिनिस्टर की लीगल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सामने रखी जाए. इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड दैट एन ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट फॉर अ पब्लिक एक्ट शुड बी काउंटर साइंड बाय अ मिनिस्टर. नो. ओके, सो स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3 इज फॉल्स. 1 and 2 are absolutely correct. Question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding Collab CAD. It is a collaborative network, computer-enabled software system providing total engineering solution from 2D drafting and detailed to 3D detailing to 3D product design. The aim of this initiative is to provide a great platform to students of Atal Tinkering Labs across country to create and modify 3D designs with free flow of creativity and imagination. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है? You have 15 seconds time to answer the question. करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज कोलैब CAD. ध्यान से पढ़ना है इसको. करेक्ट आंसर है इट इज सी. बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट. दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं. कोलैब CAD एक कोलैबोरेटिव नेटवर्क है, कंप्यूटर इनेबल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम है विच विल प्रोवाइड इंजीनियरिंग सोल्यूशन 2D ड्राफ्टिंग भी होगी और 3D प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग भी होगी इससे, ठीक है। सो बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, which of the following conditions qualify for disqualification on ground of defection? If he voluntarily gives up membership of political party on whose ticket he is elected to the house, if he votes or abstains from voting in the house contrary to any direction given by his political party, if any nominated member joins any political party before the expiry of 6 months, if any independently elected member joins any political party. You have 15 seconds time to identify the correct answer, correct statement. आपके पास correct statement को identify करने का time है 15 seconds का। Correct answer to this question is correct answer is C, that is statement 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Statement number 3 is wrong. If any nominated member joins any political party after the expiry of 6 months, not before. ये जो before word है ना, ये गलत है. It should be after. ठीक है? So that is why statement number 3 is wrong. Statement 1, 2 and 4 are absolutely correct. Question number 6. Consider the following statements regarding calling attention motion. It is introduced in the parliament by a member to call the attention of a minister to a matter of urgent public importance. It is an Indian innovation and is mentioned in the rules of procedure. Which statement is correct? फटाफट से बताओ कौन सा statement correct है? You have again 15 seconds to answer the question. 15 seconds का time है आंसर करने का, जल्दी से बताओ। Correct answer to this question is C. That is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. दोनों ही statements 1 and 2 correct हैं. It is introduced in the parliament by a member to call the attention, to attract the attention of a minister to a matter of urgent public importance. Question number 7. The Meru Jatra festival, sometimes seen in the news, is celebrated in which of the following organization? मेरू जात्रा फेस्टिवल जो है वो कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सेलिब्रेट की जाती है? कौन से yes, it is celebrated in which of the following organization, not organization, you have to write over here state. ठीक है, कौन से स्टेट में सेलिब्रेट की जाती है? Correct answer to this question, let me know in the comment section. Is it कर्नाटका, ओडिशा, महाराष्ट्र और मध्य प्रदेश? कौन सा आंसर करेक्ट है? You have 10 seconds time to answer this question. Very easy question. Correct answer in this case is it is B, ओडिशा. मेरू जात्रा फेस्टिवल एक 21 दिन का फेस्टिवल है. It's a 21 day long seasonal folk dance festival which is celebrated in the state of Odisha, in Odisha's Ganjam district. Okay. Now why this was in news? Because due to COVID-19 it was banned. COVID-19 की वजह से इस पे रोक लगा दी थी. ठीक है? That is why it was in news. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding point of order. A member can raise a point of order when the proceedings of the House do not follow the normal rules of procedure. Debate is allowed on a point of order. It suspends the proceedings before the House. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? Correct answer in this case is it is C. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is wrong. Debate is not allowed. Debate allow नहीं की जाती point of order पे. There is no debate which is allowed on point of order. Question number 9. Consider the following statements regarding the financial bill. Financial Bill 2 is a bill that contains not only any or all the matters mentioned in Article 110 but also other matters of general legislation. Special feature of this bill is that it cannot be passed by either House of Parliament unless President has recommended to that House for the consideration of the bill. In case of a disagreement between the two houses over such a bill, President can summon a joint sitting of the two houses to resolve the deadlock. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? जल्दी से बताएं कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है रिगार्डिंग फाइनेंशियल बिल 2। Correct answer to this question is correct answer is B, that is statement 2 and 3 are correct. Statement number 1 is not correct. Statement number 1 says a financial bill 2 is a bill that contains not only any or all the matters mentioned in Article 110 but also other matters of general legislation. Right? So here financial bill 1 is a bill, not 2. ठीक है, फाइनेंशियल बिल 1 is a bill that contains not only any or all the matters mentioned in Article 110 but also other matters of general legislation. That is why first statement is wrong. Coming on to question number 10, consider the following statements regarding World Press Freedom Index 2020. It is published annually by Reporters Without Borders since 2002. India ranks below 100 for the very first time. It is based on an evaluation of media freedom that measures pluralism, media independence, quality of legal framework and safety of journalists. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? Is it 1 and 3? Is it 2? Is it 1 and 2 or 3 only? Correct answer is A. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. So here India in this World Press Freedom Index dropped 2 places to be ranked 142, right? तो इसीलिए आपका स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 जो होता है वो हो जाता है गलत. Question number 11, consider the following statements regarding grants. Exceptional grant is for additional expenditure upon some new service not contemplated in the budget for that year. Excess grant is granted when money has been spent on any service during a financial year in excess of amount granted in budget. Token grant is granted when funds to meet the proposed expenditure on a new service can be made available by reappropriation. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Exceptional grant, excess grant, token grant are types of grants. You have to identify which statement is correct. आपको identify करना है कौन सा statement correct है. You have 10 seconds time to do so. 10 सेकंड का टाइम है आपके पास, फटाफट से कीजिए. Correct answer in this case is it is A, that is statement 1 and 2 are correct. When we talk about the token grant, जब हम token grant की बात करते हैं ना, it is different. It is granted when the funds to meet the proposed expenditure on a service, new service, can be available by reappropriation. A demand for the grant of token sum of ₹1 is submitted to the vote of Lok Sabha and if ascended, funds are made available. Moving on to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding Committee on Public Undertakings. This committee was created in 1964 on the recommendation of the Krishna Menon Committee. Members of committee who are from Lok Sabha cannot be appointed as chairman. Term of office of members is coterminous with the tenure of Lok Sabha. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है फटाफट से बताएं. Question is regarding the Committee on Public Undertakings. The correct answer to this question is it is A, that is statement 1 is correct. Statement number 1 correct है. The members of the committee who are from Lok Sabha cannot be appointed as chairman. Statement number 2 बोल रहा है, right? That is wrong. Originally this committee had 15 members. Okay, 10 were from Lok Sabha and 5 from Rajya Sabha. But in 1974 membership was raised to 22, that is 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. So Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha दोनों ही सभा से इसमें मेंबर्स को अपॉइंट किया जाता है. So second statement is absolutely incorrect. The term of office of members is coterminous with tenure of Lok Sabha. That is also incorrect. ये भी incorrect है, ठीक है. So again third statement is wrong. First statement is absolutely correct. Question number 13. Consider the following statements regarding Bougainville Islands. It is known for copper deposits. It is an autonomous region of Indonesia. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है Bougainville Islands के बारे में? Which statement is absolutely correct? Identify it. फटाफट से बताएं. Is it one only, two only, both one and two, or none of the above? Correct answer is A, that is statement number 1 is correct. Statement 1 correct है, statement 2 is wrong. Okay. So Bougainville Island जो है, it is an autonomous region of Bougainville of Papua New Guinea, not Indonesia. And the island is said to have the world's largest copper deposits, and it is the largest of the Solomon Island group. Question number 14. Consider the following statements regarding General Purpose Committee. This committee considers and advises on matters concerning affairs of the House which do not fall within the jurisdiction of any other parliamentary committee. In each House, this committee consists of Deputy Speaker as its ex officio chairman. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? कौन सा statement correct है जल्दी से बताएं. Regarding the General Purpose Committee, which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? Correct answer to this question is correct answer क्या है? It is A, that is statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is wrong. In each house, this committee consists of presiding officer as its ex officio chairman. ठीक है? Not the deputy speaker. Presiding officer means speaker or chairman. Okay? So that is why second statement is incorrect. Statement 1 is correct. Last question for today. Consider the following statements regarding Indian Parliamentary Group. IPG is an autonomous body and was formed in the year 1949 in pursuance of a motion adopted by Constituent Assembly. Membership of IPG is open to all members of Parliament. Speaker of Lok Sabha is the ex officio president of the group. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? The correct answer to this question is, इस question का correct answer है, it is D. That is all the above statements are correct. सभी statements absolutely correct हैं. Indian Parliamentary Group is an autonomous body. I have already explained what is an autonomous body in the Hindu analysis of yesterday. कल के Hindu analysis में मैंने समझाया था ना कि autonomous body क्या होता है. It was formed in the year 1949. Membership of IPG is open to all members of Parliament. Speaker of the Lok Sabha is the ex officio president of the group. So this is the IPG. So on this note, we are wrapping up the session. You can also enroll in the special class Carnival. 100 plus free live classes will be available tomorrow. Since from the morning itself, that is 8 a.m. in the morning, the classes will start. It's free classes, live classes by the educators, top educators on Unacademy. The link to enroll in this class is given below in the description box. So we'll be waiting for all of you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.